What are the applications of limiters? Limiters are the circuit which limit or clip a part of the output voltage. Positive peak clippers clip positive peaks of the input voltage and transmit the signal below the reference voltage, whereas negative peak clippers clip negative part of the input waveform, or negative peak is clipped and transmit the waveform above the reference voltage. Consider a case of mobile phone communication. So if you see, this is the mobile, this is the base station in case A, this is the base station and this is the mobile phone receiver in case B. In case A, the distance between base station and receiver is very large, so very weak signal will be received by the mobile phone receiver, whereas in case A, the distance is very small, the user is very small to the base station and hence very high amplitude signal is received. Because of this high amplitude signal, the signal sometimes might become large enough to saturate the circuits as it travels through the receiver chain. It is therefore required to limit the signal amplitude at a suitable point in the receiver. For small input levels, the circuit must simply pass the input to the output. For example, in case A, that is Vout is equal to Vin, whereas like in case B, if the input exceeds a threshold or limit, the output must remain constant. That is, we have to clip the waveform, we have to slice the waveform. So such circuits are called voltage or current limiters or slicers. Or voltage or current clippers. These are called clipper circuit or a limiting circuit. So apart from positive and negative limiting circuits, two-way limiters or two-way clippers are also possible, wherein both the positive peaks and the negative peaks are clipped off. In this case, there will be two reference voltages, VR1 and VR2. Voltage above one reference voltage is also clipped and voltage below the second reference voltage is also clipped. So only input in between VR1 and VR2 voltages is only transmitted to the output.